Hey guys, I am Mohammed Sharudi, and I will show you how to wash a car and a few tips about it too. So what you will need is going to be a few materials that would be from Costco, Target, or Home Depot, or a few other car mechanical stores. So the first thing that we are going to do is use a bucket, which we will need, and one of these hands. It's like a sponge which you rub off, and of course we will need a hose to use. I also am going to use a soap for washing the car. This is how it looks like. So what you do is pour it in the bucket, and the bucket will go around to right over here. The soap will go up to this level around here, and then you put some sponge into it. Then the next thing that you are going to do is going to and you're also going to pour some water too along with it and dip the sponge. And then what you're going to do is throw all the soap and the water onto a car, onto a car. And then you gotta try to make sure that it goes from top to bottom at all sides. And then after that, you use a sponge to scrub it around the car. And I recommend from going from top to bottom. And whichever way you started rinsing and putting water on the car, you go whichever way that you sprayed water first. So it can go from this way or from that way. And of course, first you gotta spray water with the car, and then rub all the soap. After you're done, then you are going to spray water with a hose all the way from top to bottom. Then when you want to dry it, you're gonna need to use a reef blower. Like any kind if you want. It depends. And then you're gonna have to go from top to bottom just like how you want it to go with the soap. It's like using a hair dryer. And then you're gonna need a towel similar to this to dry it off. And then for washing the inside of the car, I meant to say for cleaning the inside of the car, you're gonna need something like these. You can also find it on Amazon.com to order. So if you want to try to clean the glass, you're gonna have to spray, which is how it looks like, and then clean it off with a towel. And this right here could be used to spray off on the seat. And then use a towel to dry it all, to rub it around to make it much more cleaner. Now, if it rains or if your car gets wet, like right now, it might take some time to dry off, but the color is gonna look pretty ruined and you're gonna see a lot of dust. And it's way more visible when it's black. So that's why it's good to use a towel and a lawnmower, like a hair dryer, to dry it off. Well, I hope that helped, and thank you for listening.